Hello, hello. I know I said I was done. I am really done, but I felt like I have got to get on here and warn people because I know people are trying velocity banking. And even though this is not exactly a month 3, this is more of a velocity banking warning because this has happened to me and I'm like, oh my goodness. So if you've seen any of my previous videos, you know, I was trying to do velocity banking to kind of help me stay current with my credit cards because I've recently had a drop in income and I was thinking that could help me at least kind of salvage my credit. Well, last month when I did my month 2, I talked about how when I was past due on my Bank of America credit card and then I caught it up, they dropped my limit by $1,000. Okay, well, this month it's even worse. So, and I'm so upset. Like, I really am so freaking frustrated because I worked summer school. And what I did was I have rental property and I'm trying to get that house ready so that I can rent it so that I can get that income. So it cost me about $2,000 to get new doors. And what I did was I put the $2,000 on my Fidelity card, which took it right up to the limit because the limit is $2,000. And so then I got the doors done. Then when I got my summer school money, which was about $5,000, I took $2,000 to pay that off. Well, guess what? I was not behind on Fidelity. I had never been late with Fidelity. I've only actually been using the card for probably, I don't know, 6 to 8 months. Well, anyway, as soon as that $2,000 payment cleared, y'all, they dropped my limit from $2,000 to $500. So now that card has like $100 available. And I was like, what happened? How is this possible? And then I looked and I was like, you gotta be freaking kidding me. So I wanted to warn you that if you are trying to do velocity banking and your credit is already shaky and you have late payments, I'm gonna say maybe find a different way because y'all, I am so upset. Like, had I known, I wouldn't have put the $2,000 on there. I could still have that $2,000. I put the $2,000 on because I thought, oh, well, then it'll knock it back down to 0. Then I can bring it back up to $2,000 again because I have actually more work that I need to get done on the house. And I was just kind of getting it done in these $2,000 increments. So yeah, so be warned. If your credit is shaky or you've been late on stuff, I probably would not try to do velocity banking right now. Or if you do it, like do it with very small amounts of money. Do not do what I just did and put that $2,000 on there. And then literally when it cleared, my available credit is $500. So you figure they dropped it by $1,500, which I'm like, I'm so frustrated. So I just wanted to get on and warn people because I know people had seen some of my other videos and originally I thought, oh, well, you might not have to worry about your credit limit being decreased if you have been current on that particular card, but clearly that does not matter. So if there's anybody watching this who's in the same boat as me, then I would say probably pause on the velocity banking because I mean, this is like, has totally screwed me because there's no way in the world I would have tied up $2,000 for that if I didn't think it was just going to bring me back to 0 and give me kind of $2,000 more to work with. So as always, it's hard to say, but I am grateful. I'm still grateful for all the other good stuff that's happening in my life. So as always, be grateful. Bye-bye.